Hello guys, I'm back. Today I just made $820 trading Nasdaq and I'm going to explain you how I did it. But before that, I want to tell you something that for that trade, I post every single step that I took. I posted in my TikTok account. Let me show you. Even from the beginning, I showed literally everything. It's like a free signal group that I won't charge money because I don't need and I don't want your money because I don't need it. But look at this. I was saying that we were about to take the lows in the next post. I'm showing my trades, then half of the trade, then we made $820 right here, and the full chart. And I passed a funded account with just only one trade. It's good, but only thing that I want from you to follow and subscribe to my channel. That's it. All right, we're gonna jump into the business with my new one clap. Yeah. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right. Oh, I missed my home. All right, whatever. So it's very easy. That's how I take trade, and literally, you can just do it. Just copy trading me. Just copy my trade. Just copy how I do, how I look. Just copy, and you will win. That's it. That's that's like that's like life hack. Whatever. So what do we see here? I'm gonna open my session indicator. It's totally free, by the way. It names looks algo sessions New York, something like that. All right. So what do we? So I'm gonna start joining from the beginning. So what do we see here? So first of all, what we were waiting for, we first thing we gotta do that we gotta define, we gotta find our daily bias, and when I jump into the daily time frame, my daily bias is obviously, is obviously it's bullish. So what does that mean? I'm just looking for long positions. Then I jump into the 1 hour time frame and I mark my important liquidities like this, like this, and like this. Then I jump into the 5 minute time frame and open my session. Then what do I see? I see that we have a New York session lows waiting to be taken to fulfill the order, because what we were waiting for, what did we see? We have a bullish bias, but before we make the real move, we gotta take the low resistance liquidity like this. We have a chart like this. We are going up, 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 up. We go down to do what? To take all the orders, then go up. All right, I talk about it in my every video. You must know that. Because of that, I'm not going to explain too much. So what do we see here? We have orders from New York session, and we have order in Asia session, and also in London session, like so. Yeah. And what happens in the London session? We took all the lows, as you guys can see. We have nothing. We have already fulfilled our all orders. There is no more orders to be taken. So what can I do? Look, what I'm gonna look for. I just forgot how to speak. What I'm gonna look for in this chart, I'm gonna wait for reversal, break of structure, and could my as a my entry signal, it could be liquidity sweep or fair value gap. Then I go into the trade. And where am I going to put my take profit? You can even put that Tokyo highs or the previous New York session highs. But this bitch right here, it might be a risky. So I I put my take profit to the Asia session highs. So what do we see here? Once our price visit that area, we instantly liquidity sweep and we started to see some reactions right here. We have a high volume candle. We have a really big blue candle. Then what do I see right here? I break this. We break the structure. We broke the structure. Then we created a 5 minute fair value gap right here. So what was I waiting for in my trade? I was waiting for the price to touch that fair value gap to make the real move. And I put my entry right here. My take profit is going to be this Asia session highs, or you can put this previous New York session high, but it's too risky. I wouldn't do that. That's why I choose this one. And as a my stop loss, you can choose this low or this liquidity low. I choose that this liquidity low because I want it, like it was a the guarantee trade for me. That's how I take this trade. Yeah, it was easy. What do we have in here? We have orders. We were waiting for to be taken. As soon as we took out all the orders, we were waiting for the real move. And guess what happens? A real move has happened right here. It's pretty much easy. That's how I take my trade. 90% or 95% how I take my trade. And this is how TGR takes his trade. It's very easy. So I'm gonna end this video right here. See you guys on my next video.